One of the biggest challenges that YouTube creators face is coming up with new ideas for their videos. Picking the right idea for a video is super important because it allows your videos to show up in search for the right audience, which gets you the views that you deserve. If you can come up with a good idea, that's half the battle won. You're already lining up your video for success. So in this video, we're gonna go over the exact steps you can take to come up with relevant ideas for your channel every single time. Not just that, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can access and use over 4,000 free video templates to make bringing your videos to life even easier. Without further ado, let's get started. I like to start with the simplest methods, but don't underestimate how powerful the simple methods can be. So for method number one, we're gonna head over to the YouTube search bar. Now, YouTube knows us really well, and it knows the type of videos that we've watched in the past. So in order to get a more unbiased search, we're gonna go ahead and open up an incognito tab. And then we're gonna go YouTube. All right, now think of a few keywords in your niche and start typing them into the YouTube search bar. And then the YouTube search bar is gonna populate it with more ideas. So let's say you have a craft channel. I'm gonna start typing DIY. All right, we got DIY room decor, DIY crafts, DIY projects. So we've already got some new ideas, but let's keep typing. We wanna get the keywords a little bit more specific than that. All right, DIY room decor easy, that might be a good one. As you find some good ideas, make sure you're writing them down or saving them in your notes somewhere. And then once you've got a few base ideas, we're gonna take that further and we're actually gonna click on the search and see what videos are coming up. Now, if these videos are getting a lot of views, that's already a pretty good indication. And then what you can do is click on one of the videos that you think is most relevant, and you can see what kind of videos are coming up on the right side. That's gonna give you some more ideas, usually based on the video you're watching. And then what you can also do is come to the channel and see what kind of topics they're covering. And that's a great way just to get the creative juices flowing, get some new ideas. Of course, you don't ever want to copy a channel. The downside to this method is that you don't get to see any information about the competition of these keywords. Knowing the competition is important, especially if you're a smaller YouTube channel. It's going to be harder for you to rank for higher competition keywords. So if you're using a higher competition keyword, people probably aren't going to see your video in the search results, so you won't get as many views. So if you're early on in your YouTube journey, you want to mine for those keywords that have decent search volume but lower competition. That brings us to method number two. Method number two is similar, but we're going to use a website called VidIQ. VidIQ has a great keyword search tool. You are going to need to have the paid plan in order to access this feature, but this is a great investment for your channel. And they do have a free trial available, so we will have that link in the description. To show you how it works, I'm going to start typing in the keyword that we came up with before, so DIY room decor easy. Go ahead and search that. And then as you can see, first it shows you the search volume, and then it shows you the level of competition. So either low, medium, high, or very high in some cases. And then it gives you a list of related keywords. So this is a great way to take one idea and potentially turn it into a lot more ideas. So a lot of these have the very high competition label. We're gonna try to avoid those. So here we have home decor. As you can see, it has a really high search volume and medium competition, so that's a little bit more what we're looking for. But we're still looking for something that gets more of a score of 60 out of 100 or something more around there. So let's keep scrolling. So here we have one that's really specific, but as you can see, it has a score of 66 out of 100, so that might be a really good one. So let's go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to pull up another list based on that one. Interior design gets 60 out of 100. Very high searches, medium competition. So let's go ahead and click on that one and see what that brings up. Interior design trends 2021. That looks like it would be an excellent keyword. So scroll through, see what you can find. All right, method number three is to find out what your audience wants to see. If you have an existing audience, even if it's small, you can literally ask them what videos they want to see. I see big YouTubers do this all the time. At the end of one of your videos, just ask your viewers to comment what they want to see next. You can also put a poll card in one of your YouTube videos, or if you have an audience on Instagram, you can put a poll in one of your Instagram stories. Now, some of you might be brand new, maybe you don't have an audience at all, so you might be thinking that you can't do this method, but here's what I'm going to recommend. Find a channel that's kind of your goals channel and see if you can find a video where they ask their audience for ideas. And even if you can't, just go ahead and read through the comments on their videos, because a lot of the time YouTube viewers will comment asking creators to make certain videos. All right, method number 4 is kind of along those same lines, and that is to leverage trends. Now, that doesn't mean you have to do the exact same thing that everyone else is doing, but if there's a trend going around your niche, think about how you can put your own spin on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a way that you can find these video trends. We're gonna use another tool from VidIQ. This one is a Chrome extension, and you can use it even with the free account. So head over to vidiq.com/extension. That link will be in the description as well. And then go ahead and hit Install Chrome extension, and then just go ahead and finish the installation. Add extension. Now that you have it installed, you're going to head over again to your goals channels or channels that are similar to yours. And as you can see, vidIQ adds this trending tab to every channel you visit. So click on that. As you can see, this shows you the videos that are getting the most views per hour. So this is a fantastic way to see which videos are currently trending on channels that are similar to yours. So find these videos, hop on the trends. Again, just make sure you're putting your own twist on the trends. In addition to these strategies, if you still need some starter ideas, we've compiled a list of over 200 YouTube video ideas that can be used across different brands and different niches. That link will be in the description, so go ahead and check it out. If you're enjoying this video, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel so we can keep bringing you daily content creation tips like this. In fact, we're going to be sharing a follow-up video to this one that will give you more YouTube video ideas for 2021. So hit that notification bell so you know when we drop that video. All right, now that you've brainstormed a few video ideas, I'm going to show you how you can access over 4,000 free video templates to bring those ideas to life. We're going to be using InVideo to edit since it's free to get started and it's super easy to use. Trust me, you'll be up and running in no time, even if you've never edited a video before. All you have to do is head over to InVideo.io, sign up for a free account if you haven't already. That'll take you to the home screen. And then come to the search bar and select the 16:9 option, the size for a YouTube video. And then you can go ahead and search for a template within your niche. Once you find one you like, go ahead and click Use this template. That pulls up the video editor, and from here you can add your own clips and customize everything to make the video your own. And you also have access to a built-in media library of over 8 million royalty-free video clips, images, and music that you can use for your video. If this video was helpful for you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and check out this video to learn how to repurpose your YouTube content for IGTV so you can double your reach and grow your audience on Instagram as well. We'd also love to know what your biggest challenges are when it comes to creating content so that we can make videos to help you out. So go ahead and drop your biggest challenges in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Therese with InVideo, and I will see you in the next one.